might kill somebody's ass or something. I don't know what the hell you talking about. I ain't never heard a town name after that. Take care of brother Switchblade having fun. Bye-bye.
And that right, Switchblade, no doubt about it. All right, man, I like to have fun on this thing, man. It ain't about keying up on nobody. It's about a cat maker coming off that key and another cat maker keying up laughing like he can't got to spit up and everything else because that cat maker said something funny. Hello to you, Switchblade. I love hearing you out there, bro. Switchblade, your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bank.
Man, you take a little radio. I ain't really yet. I'm still looking in the grass. Hey, man, you must got some real estate in the grass. You must got... almost here. I'm gonna say you got your big stick stuck in the grass. Hey, buzzing, almost here. Take care of the buzzing. Switchblade, get down.
No doubt about it, Switchblade. That's why I like talking to you. I got you on gate right now. All right, Switchblade, I'm going to get on out of here. I know it's going to get rough. You tell that 442 ID and say hello. Switchblade, your buzzard up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I bank left.
I don't know who said it. You said you living in a county called who can't whoop his ass. Hey, Buzzard, I tell 442 you said hello, but I can't hear them no more. Man, you done took my radio. And I'm looking in the grass, cat nigga. Take care, worldwide Buzzard, Switchblade, getting down.
Hello to you, number 8. Hello to you, number 8, your buzzard. Hello to you, number 8, your buzzard up around the Northwest Corner. And I bank left.
All right, here, buzzard. Are you banking left? Hey, buzzard. Hey, buzzard, that guy, he ain't got no reflex. Hey, buzzard, that guy.
No doubt about it, number 8. No doubt about it, number 8. Switchblade, cut that mess out, man. Switchblade. Now, why in the hell you want to put that used pamp on this cat maker head you found on the side of the road? What the hell wrong with you, Switchblade? Man, I thought you gonna let me go and let me talk. Hey, number 8, I'm about to get on out of here, man. Number 8, your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bank.
Hey, Ron,
Hey, Switchblade, you at number 8. All you kept me get doubled that time, so I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to get my duck sucking knees in the breeze. Y'all doubled this time. I got to go. Yo, buzz it up around the Northwest Corner and I bank.
Got it going on. Yeah, that's my...
Number 8, you the last one I heard out all that jumbo bumble. Everybody unkeyed and I heard you come screaming through that number 8. No doubt about it, man. But that duck sucker Switchblade or somebody else was in that man. My radio is jumbled up, I tell you that much. Hello to you, number 8. Zero reflect. Your buzz it up around the Northwest Corner and I bank.
You monster.
And that Araya zero, number 8 zero reflex cat nigga, you had it down that time, man. It was a whole bunch of whoa, 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 and then you walked on out of the crowd. Hello to you, number 8 zero reflex. I had to tell you like a TI is, cause it's gonna be on this gate, and this gate gonna be on. Who said I can't key on your ass on Facebook? Hello to you, number 8 zero reflex. Your buzz it around the Northwest Corner, and I just bank left.
Well, with most of Mother Nature,
Hey, Superman, you better get on out of there, cat nigga. You fool around there and had the wrong outfit on. You talking about, I'll get back with you. You ain't wearing that Mary Poppins outfit, is your Superman. Hello to your Superman, buzzing right back, break.
Hey, Buzz, tell Superman I'm waving a great big old hand in the world of sound. Hey, Buzz, tell Superman that I'm waving a great big old hand. Buzz is number 8, goddamn.
Hey, Superman, I don't know if you keyed or not, but that cat big number 8 said hello in the world of sound. Hey, Superman, I don't know if you keyed or not, because that cat making number 8 keyed up and told me to tell you hello, sure did. Hello to you, Superman. Hello, 8. Number 8, Zero Reflect, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm right back.
All right, yeah, Buzz. Well, I appreciate you rolling my time and keeping it alive. Did it again with Zero Reflect. I'll see.
That you did, according to this gate and according to my ears. You did it. Number 8, you did it with Zero Reflect. No doubt about it, Captain Mickey doing your McNasty. Hello to you once again, number 8. I'm going to get out the way, show is. Number 8, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon, and I just banged left? Hey, number 8, I didn't get that 5, man. That Superman's out there, man. There's a few other cat niggas out there, man. I did not get that 5, number 8, Zero Reflect. Because that cat make Superman out there and everybody. I'm just going to stand by just in case somebody up here around this corner want to do some talking. Hello to you, number 8. Zero Reflect, your buzz it up round. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I'm back up here circling and listening now, good day. And now the riot 214, I gotta say hello to you because you rose out of the crowd that time. Hello to you, 214, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm back up here circling. Come on.
Hey, bud. Hello, sis. DB, man, over in the flag. It's smoking around Kentucky. Hey, Buzzard, 214 hog, and more hog on Steel Hill with all that hog, man. Still, so what's going on?
Hey, hog, with all that hog and that steel, ain't nothing going on but you right now in this gate. Hey, hog and hog with more steel, ain't nothing going on with you right now, 214, no doubt about it. Hello to you, hog and more hog. Your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm right back. Come on. You all by your cop thinking lonely. I believe you said you was in Oregon, didn't you? I don't talk in Oregon too much. I hope I got that right there, Brady. Hey, 214, yeah, I'm up here in Oregon, man. That's why I say, who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? No doubt about it. Hey, hog, I am up here in Oregon. Come on, hog, buzz it back. Hey, Buzzard, well, right now you got the talk show, and it's all about Buzzard. That's all I hear. Hey, Buzzard, you the man of the hour around Kentucky, and you got this thing Hey, Hog, I'm gonna put this gate up on Who Said I Can't Key on Your Ass on Facebook. Come join me, man. I got almost 1,000 members. Hey, Hog 214, come and join me on Who Said I Can't Key on Your Ass on Facebook, and you'll hear how you sound. You in the black. Hello to your Hog 214. Your buzz is right back.
Hey, that's where you are, man. Hey, well, I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll come check it out. Who said I can't key on your ass? Hey, I like the way that sounds. Hey, Buzzard, he's from one black to the other, man. You got this guy picking over past the B and the black, and it don't look like it's going back anytime soon. What you think?
Hey, 214 Hog and Mo Hog, man. We got to connect. We got a direct connect right now. So, Hog, while we got this direct connect, I'm going to say good evening, good afternoon to you. It's a pleasure on this Duck Shucking in. I hope your weekend be a good one. Stay safe. Hey, Hog and Mo Hog 214, your buzz is right back. Come on.
Hey, buddy, we appreciate it, man. We appreciate it. I hope you can do something for the weekend coming up. And I'll find week next week, too, man. Hey, the weather's starting to be the way I like it around Kentucky as well, boy. Sweatshirt. A lot of guys out there, you take care of it. We do it again, hey, Buzzard. I will definitely remember your handle. You take care of it without order. No contest, 63. No contest.
And that a riot, Hog, no doubt about it. I ain't gonna forget yours either. 214, Mo Hog and Mo Hog and Mo Hog and Steel, no doubt about it. All right, Hog, I heard somebody calling 63. I'm gonna get out of the way, man, because I've been out here a pretty good while now, and I need to get back, step back, see what's going on. Hello to you, Hog, once again, 214, around the bluegrass. Yo, buzz it up around the northwest corner. Around Who Said I Can't Key on Your Ass, County, Oregon. Good day.
So I'm gonna get out the way, let them holler at you, buzzard in the corner, big motor 10-7, I see. Yeah, man,
What did you say, Carver?
And that right here, big motor, no doubt about it. I'm gonna do likewise on this end, man. I'm gonna do likewise on this end. Big motor, your buzzer. Big motor, your buzzer up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon, and I bank left?
Gotta work every time, brother. Now you brother, real fine. Appreciate the pop down. Appreciate the chit chat. Put it down on your later. Brothers in the corner. Boy, you bad this evening. Good old motor. These Alabama Woods at 10-7.
Hey, big motor, big motor, big motor. That's a buzzer riot, big motor.
I hear you.
That's Carpet in Carolina. Good day, big motor.
Hey, Buzzer. Buzzer, old jawbreaker, way.
Jawbreaker, what's up? What you been doing, man? I see you ain't been trying to break no jaws. Come on, Jawbreaker, break.
Hey, 402 around the Golden Gate Bridge. Been chillin', Buzzer. Been busy in the yard and chillin', come on.
Ain't that a riot, Jawbreaker? Ain't nothing wrong with chilling, cat nigga. Hey, Jawbreaker, ain't nothing wrong with chilling, but I appreciate you taking the time out, man, to holler at old Buzzard around the Great Northwest. Sure do. Hello to you, Jawbreaker. Your Buzzard Northwest corner around Who Said I Can't Key on Your Ass, County, Oregon, and I bank.
Still on the house. Let him this way, talking. Hey, on to the cloud. Really, it's big motor move. What time is it?
Hey, Big Motor, you tell 63 I said hello. Tell him it's a friendly 5. Hey, Big Motor, you tell that 63 Buzzer said hello. Big Motor, your Buzzer, and I bank.
Yeah, man, that got big open hearted, man. Hey, 63, you got Buzzer. Hey, 63, what's wrong with you, man? Hey, 63, what's wrong with you, man? Buzzer must have made you mad. I think that was your
Hey, Big Motor. Hey, Big Motor, I ain't trying to make him holler in that radio. Hey, Big Motor, I ain't trying to make him holler in that radio. All I want to do is tell him hello. Tell him a 5 for me and I'll get out of the way. Tell him I'll give him the green light. Hello to you, Big Motor. Hello to you, Big Motor. Your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bank. Man, all I heard was buzzing, man. All you big rascals keyed down, man. I don't know who was talking to who, but I'm gonna give it to 63, man, because I can't hear a damn thing. Sure can't. Yo, buzz it up around the Northwest Corner. Yo, buzz it up around who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon, and I bank left. And that right, Superman, you about the only one I heard, man, and I don't even know if you talking to me because my radio is jumping up. All I can hear is Superman standing by, no doubt about it. Hey, Superman, you talking to Buzzard. Come on, Superman, Buzzard, banking left.
He barking at the moon. That cat bigger barking at the moon. Buzzard, Buzzard, get me out of here, chick.
You said that cat make a barking at the moon. You said that cat make a barking at the moon, and then somebody keyed up. I didn't get who you say you was, but you said that cat make a barking at the moon break. Yeah, right. Damn, I know that name. I know that damn sound, man. But I'm still not getting I know the voice, but I still couldn't put it up there. But you say 63 out there barking in the wind, man. No doubt about it. Hello to all my big brothers that trying to spoke up on me. You can't make my radio toe up. Your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bank. And that a riot, jawbreaker. And that a riot, jawbreaker. I got it that damn time. Hey, jawbreaker, I got it that damn time. Sure did. Good evening, good afternoon to you, jawbreaker. Your buzz is right back.
Catch you in the short. Hey, Buzzard, snap, crackle, pop. The jawbreaking thing got down.
The jaw-breaking pain and you got down. You gonna be on this gate, cat nigga. If you watch this gate, I'm gonna put it on who said I can't key on your ass on Facebook. But Jawbreaker, you did what you had to do. I gotta get out of here for a little while, Jawbreaker. I've been out here too long. Hello to you, Jawbreaker, once again. Your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bank.
Snap, crackle, pop, it's all good. Hey, Buzzard, snap, crackle, pop, go to Wiz, the jar, it's all good.
Jawbreaker, you wouldn't believe how many cameras keyed up. I got it on at 30, bro, and the needle is just sitting there wiggling. Hey, Jawbreaker, I got to go, man. When it's like that, I can't hear nobody. The only time I heard, reason I got to hear you, because them big boys got off the mall and you was walking in there. Hello to you once again, Jawbreaker, Buzzard Bank.
I give a dip about the big boys. Buzzard, Buzzard, oh, Jawbreaker in my corner. Don't give a dip about the big boys. Buzzard, break a jaw gone.
And that a riot break a jaw, Jawbreaker? You say you don't give a whoop about them big boys, no doubt about it. All right, Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker, I'm gonna get my butt right on out of here. Hello to you once again, Jawbreaker. Your buzz at Northwest Corner and I bang. Come on, Wagon Wheel. Can you hold it? Come on, Wagon Wheel. There's some big boys out there. Hey, Wagon Wheel, come on. Can you hold it, Wagon Wheel? Buzz is circling.
I'm trying to get up in the Roger on that. Yeah, you run that cat bigger too, because you can. That's what you do. Hey, 63, that's how you do it. That's what I do. I do it because I can. Ain't no two ways about that. It's a duck playing ball care station all over the nation. But I'm over the kid in the time. It's 63. This is a broadcast zero replay station. Put it on your later, my friend. Tell them boys we all
That duck sucking 08. That duck sucking station 080 reflex, man. That kept me talking to 63, and he got conditioned on me, man. And I tell you what, he cut off everything in here now. That duck sucking number 8 with that 0 reflex, that cat me come in here like he owned the place. So I'm about to get out of the way. And 63 got his radio, so it's best for me to stand back. No doubt about it. Hello to all you rascals trying to speak at Buzzard. Your Buzzard around the northwest cone, and I just bank left.
Hey, brother, Black Pepper just want to step in for a minute and say good evening to you, brother. Hey, brother, what's
And that a riot, Black Pepper? And that a riot, Black Pepper? And that a riot, Black Pepper? No doubt about it. I heard you, man. Hey, Black Pepper, I heard you, but 63 got more people hollering at him, man. No doubt about it. And them cat niggas is bad. No doubt about it. Hello to you, Black Pepper. Your Buzzard right back.
Boy, you brother, no doubt about it. We come and stick it to you. I didn't want to try my luck. I know you're rocking on. I'm going.
And that a riot, Black Pepper, man. I hope the weekend be in your favor. Hey, Black Pepper, I hope the weekend be in your favor, man. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Hey, Black Pepper, I appreciate you taking your time out to holler at Buzzard. Black Pepper, your Buzzard, northwest corner. And I just went 7 up now, Black Pepper. Good day.
Why, you brother, why you going 7 up? I'm going 7 up too. Get ready for the ball game. That's enough for the show. Put it on your high down later, Buzzard. Off they go. Black Pepper, that might know you, man. This baby driver got down and go. Hey, brother, a big water come out here, I can't do no talking, man. Hey, 245, you jack it down and lock your radio.
As I end this gate, your Buzzard around the northwest corner. And I just banked all the way left now. Good day.